Hi friends, you are watching my technical network. Friends, how to delete Facebook account permanently? You will know in this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Friends, open the Facebook. In Facebook, go to the setting in privacy. In setting in privacy, select the setting. First option. After that, of the page, select account ownership and control. Deactivation and deletion. Select this one option, second option, and also select this second option, delete account. Or for only deletion, select the second one, which is delete account. The first one is the reason for the deletion, so you can select any one on these options. Delete account. Your account is deleted. Delete account. Enter the password. Delete account. Your account is deleted. Don't log in account in 30 days. Thank you for watching the video.